It is truly amazing the hidden gems you can find in the Sahara Desert if you're willing to leave the tourist destinations behind. We were heading to Merzouga, but decided to travel a little bit further towards the Algerian border. This hotel and camper park has spaces for approximately 40 campers. All the inner rooms are protected by an outer wall to stop any dust entering the buildings. Camper parking here is less than £10 a night, and they have space for about 40 campers. This includes the use of the hotel facilities and the swimming pool, which is absolutely stunning. In the reception area you have all the tourist information you need on the local area, and the restaurant area is covered with memorabilia from people who have actually visited in the past. It is fascinating to see where all these people have travelled from. It seems like a lot of people have left stickers or business cards, and some people have even left flags and shirts which are signed. The history goes back quite a way, I believe. We had a meal here as well, which was very good for the price. But once you've finished admiring all the memorabilia, you can then walk out into the main courtyard, which not only leads to the hotel rooms, but you have separate access to all the shower and toilet facilities from the camper from the other end of the building. Now, wandering out into the courtyards and gardens, past the hotel rooms, you'll notice how well it's illuminated. This all leads to the back of the building. At this point, you have access from the campers to the shower facilities, which I'll show you in a minute. This then has a staircase that leads up to the top, which has a stunning pool which looks over the sand dunes and the desert. I actually have to tell you a secret. I actually stayed at this resort because they had the swimming pool, and I was hoping to have a long soak in it. The problem was the wind was very high and the pool was exceedingly cold, but the hot showers did make up for it. You must remember that it is March, and in the daytime it does go above 30 degrees, but at night it gets very, very cold. The camper park has ample parking for at least 40 campers, even ground and easy access. You have plenty of facilities for doing all the washing up from your camper, and you have use of the hotel facilities. The whole place is stunning, and they do many excursions throughout the day. Just a few to mention are dune buggy rides, excursions in 4x4s out to the big dunes, camel rides, and many more. Now, I normally make domestic appliance videos and related travel videos to my industry, but when a place is truly worthwhile, I really go to the effort of making a video. I think this place is underused and the facilities are second to none. I have never seen such good shower and toilet facilities in my whole trip into Morocco. In the description on this video, I have put a link to a playlist on my trip to Morocco, and this has to be one of the top venues that I stayed at. Everything about it has been absolutely stunning, at a very affordable price. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you ever get the chance to come here, I hope it lives up to your expectations. Thanks very much indeed for watching.